Good morning, students of class 7. Today we will take the quick revision of Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. First of all, I am telling you the summary of this story. This is a comic story. As you can see, this is in comic form. It was the season for Hilsa Fish. During this season, people talked about nothing but Hilsa Fish. One day, a courtier in the king's court addressed the king saying, "Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught." It was. The king stopped him, saying that he is a courtier, not a fisherman. The courtier stopped, but the king felt guilty. He said, "I am sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa Fish, and no one, not even Gopal, can stop anybody from talking about Hilsa Fish." Gopal accepted the king's challenge by saying that he could. Gopal went home. He half shaved his face and smeared himself with ash. He put on torn clothes. His wife stopped him from going out in those disgraceful rags, but Gopal went out to buy a Hilsa Fish. He bought one and started for the palace. A child said that he was a joker. Some said that he was a madman. Some declared him as a saint. He reached the palace. When the guards did not allow him to enter the palace, he began to sing and dance. The king ordered to bring the man before him. Some said that the man has lost his mind. The king recognized him and asked him why he was dressed up in that laughable fashion. Gopal said that it was strange that no one seemed to be interested in Hilsa Fish now. From the market to the court, nobody spoke about the Hilsa Fish. The king burst into laughter and said that Gopal had achieved the impossible again. So, student, this is the summary of this story. And now, some short question. What was the main topic of conversation among people? Hilsa Fish. Was the fish being sold at a high or low rate? At a low rate. Why could people talk of nothing but Hilsa Fish? Because it was the season of Hilsa Fish. Who are fishmongers? Fishmongers are the people who sell fish. Why was the courtier silent? The courtier was silent as the king asked him to stop talking about the Hilsa Fish. What made the king feel guilty? The king felt guilty after rebuking the courtier as everybody was talking about Hilsa Fish. Why is the man looking comical? The man was looking comical in his torn clothes. Was the man really mad? No. But had the king forgotten? The king had forgotten about the challenge posed before Gopal. Why was nobody interested in speaking about Hilsa Fish? Why? People got distracted by looking at Gopal's strange appearance. Was the king impressed with the speaker? Yes, the king was very much impressed with Gopal. So students, I think again you are able to understand this. So students, thank